On. Rock, paper, scissors. I go first. Buddy fight. Open the flag.
Star Dragon World.
Magic World.
WS64 Shakespeare.
Center of the world, Mary Sue. Go. I go first. Draw. Charge. And draw. Cast, nice one. Pay 1 gauge. Draw 2 cards. Sephiroth's Lecture. Cast. No pay, no gain. Pay 2 gauge. Draw 2 cards. Drop 1 hand card. Battle Wizard the Ace. When this card is discarded from your hand, pay 1 life. If you do, draw a card. Got Shocking Magic Venus Axia. Cast Coronis Bante Arge. Pay 1 life. Draw a card. When you cast a spell, put the top card of each player's deck into the gauge and deal 1 damage to your opponent.
Done tonight.
Cast Killer Order. Pay 1 life. Put the top 2 cards of your deck into the gauge. All to the center. Center of the world, Mary Sue Revival Body. Pay 2 gauge. If a spell is on your drop zone,
Size 0.
discard size 0. Miracle Affinity, when this card enters the field, look at the top 5 cards of your deck. Put 2 spells among them to your hand and put the rest at the bottom of your deck in the order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2 spells.
Monsters. Cast Key of Solomon first volume. Top the cards over that on the cage.
Yeah, 5-0.
Mm.
Huh?
Wait up. I have it. Cut. Over. Concentrate. The cast cost of each of your magic world spell is reduced by 1. Holy magic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Not a spell.
Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 or more, draw 2 cards.
Gauge 2, draw 2, gain 2.
Shuffle first, right?
Yes.
Page 2, gain 2, draw 2.
Draw 2.
Time seal. P2 gauge. And P2 life. Draw 2 cards.
Go.
Call. Oversize. Center of the World Mirisu. P2 gauge. When this card enters the field, search for your deck a spell card and put it into your hand. Shuffle your deck. And now, cast. Great spell, my great grandfather clock. B2 gauge. You have 6 or more.
Different.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Return all cards from your drop zone to the deck and shuffle your deck.
Get
After, get another turn. Cut. Battle.
Go.
2.
Down to 7.
My turn.
Yes.
Draw. Charge and draw.
Stand.
Stand. Cast. Nice one. P1 gauge. Draw 2 cards. And that's efforts lecture. 1, 2. Three. Call. Venus Axia. Cast Kosher. Put the top card of your deck into the gauge and draw a card. Then, when you cast a spell, put the top card of each player's deck, deal 1 damage to your opponent.
Down to 6.
Sure. Cast.
No pain,
No pain, no gain. Into gauge. Draw 2 cards. Discard a card from your hand. And when this card is discarded,
Okay, 1 life.
you 1 life. Draw a card. Set. Great Spell Circle, Deity Dragon. Cast Solomon First Volume. Gauge 2. I cast what? Noble Magician Suzuha. Cast Time Sale. Pay 2 gauge. Pay 2 life. Draw 2 cards. And then, Suzuha's ability. Put the top card of your deck into the drop zone. If it's a spell, draw a card. It's not her. Oh, Mary Sue, Revival Button. Discard Transmitter Dendo. Put the top 2 cards of your deck into the gauge. Alright. Call. Center of the World, Mirisu. When this card enters the field, search for your deck for 1 spell.
Yes.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, Holy Magic. Return 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gauge 2, go to deal 3.
Deal 3.
Down to 3.
Cut. Gauge 2. Gain 2. Draw 2. Battle phase.
Go.
Link for 3.
Good game.